I'm gonna be rich from day trading. I'm 18 years old. I haven't earned a single dollar from it yet, but I've been documenting my whole entire journey online so you can see my process in real time. This is week number 42 of trying to get my first payout from day trading at 18 years old. Here's a recap of my whole journey so far. And we blew a bunch of accounts, I ain't gonna lie. But we passed a couple. We was close to a payout a few times. So I'm not mad at the overall journey, if you want to be honest. But I was close to a payout two times, two or three times, and I just messed it up because I was just over trading or whatever. And here's a recap of last week. Last week was a boring week. We only took one trade that whole week. We was on the eval account. We only took one trade and it went break even. So this week I'm gonna try to find something, but price action lately just hasn't been the best for me, at least in my strategy. Here's how we ended up blowing our account today. First day of the week, we barely took any trades. Like we only took one trade last week. So this week, I was like kind of in the mindset of like, okay, I gotta just take a trade honestly because I'm just tired of not taking trades. I'm just maybe I think I'm rushing to get this pair. That's why I'm forcing trades kind of. And honestly, I was just looking for like a continuation, and just the trade I took. Um. I took a trade like this, and then I was having half of my profit target as a TP, and then like $500 as the stop loss, and I set a sell stop order just so I can get continuation, but it obviously didn't play out. Then I tried to get some longs and some shorts in between here and here, but none of them played out. So as you can see, and we ended up blowing the account. I kind of always do this on the eval account. This is why I blow the account a lot. I always do it on the eval account. I always blow the eval accounts just because I rushed and I try to full port instead of taking good setup. Here's how we ended up losing basically a whole account. We had daily loss limit and we hit that of $12,000. So we got around $600 to play with. And tomorrow we're gonna try to build it back up. But today we ended up full porting. We had the same thing as yesterday. We had a sell stop right here. We had a tight stop loss, and then we tried to target half of our profit target, and I obviously didn't play. I don't know why I keep doing that. If you want to be honest, I haven't taken an A plus setup in so long. Like I don't know what I'm doing. I need a low key tighten up. I don't know if I need a break. I don't know if I just need a reality check. I don't know, but yeah, that's a trade I took for today, and we're gonna try to get it back up tomorrow. But if we blow that tomorrow, then we gonna be done for the week. Here's how we ended up blowing our account today. And from yesterday, I was basically expecting to blow our account today because we lost basically 70% of our account yesterday. And we full ported yesterday. So basically, I just kind of did the same thing today. Just because when I'm that deep in drawdown, I literally never come back from it. So I just was like, okay, the account is basically blown. So I'll just full port it anyway instead of waiting for A plus setup. Even if I have, it wasn't really much in this. Maybe this in 5 minute inverse. I mean 1 minute inverse right here. But it was CPI today, and I did not see that. I did not see that it was CPI. But if I did, we probably would have took it, and at least it would have been back up some. But I didn't see it, so it's all good. So I'm not really too mad at that. Is all my fault. I need a lock in seriously. But I'm gonna try to be more consistent, like outside the charts, and hopefully that translates to the charts. But I might take this week off. I might not. We're gonna see how I feel tomorrow, man. That wraps up week number 42 of trying to get my first pair from day trading at 18 years old. We only traded 3 days of the week, but all those days we ended up taking a loss and we ended up blowing two accounts. Two accounts in 1 week, two accounts in 3 days, not even a week. That's just pitiful. I know I'm better than this. I know I gotta tighten up. Two accounts in 1 week, two accounts in 3 days, not even a week. That's just pitiful. I know I'm better than this. I know I gotta tighten up. Bruh, what am I doing? I'll keep trying to rush my progress, rush this payout when I just need to chill. Like I keep trying to rush and hurry and hurry. That's why I keep full boarding and full boarding because I don't want to wait. Like I don't want to wait through the slow game or whatever. Because once I was close to that payout one time, I was one win away from a payout. I blew it, boom, trying to rush. And ever since then, I just been trying to rush and get back to that stage. But it always is a learning lesson within every trade we take every week. It's always a learning lesson. I always learn from it, or at least I try to. But the lesson I learned from this week is that stop rushing. Every time I rush, every time I full port, every time I just rush, like focus on payout, focus on the future, I always end up full porting, always end up losing. So I just need to chill, like just take it slow, like chill out, risk what I normally risk. It's okay, like to take it slow. It's okay to wait. It's okay to wait 3 weeks to pass the eval account instead of blowing it in one day. I mean, that's better for me at least. I don't know about y'all, but that's better for me. Saying, yeah, I just need to take it slow, stop rushing. I just need to chill out because this is becoming a thing. Like I haven't took an A+ trade in so long. But yeah, I know I always say this, but next week I'm gonna do better, man. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna do better. I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm not gonna give up till I get this payout, man. Well, I'm not gonna give up ever, but I'm not giving up. I'm gonna get this payout. I'm stop blowing all these accounts left and right, but I'm gonna tighten up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Like, you can flame me in the comments all you want. I probably deserve it, if you want to be honest. I probably deserve it. But just don't go too far, you feel me? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my whole series, watch my whole series. Stay up for next week, because next week we on a fresh eval account. Next week we're gonna try our best to tighten up. Take it slow. Like if it's no setups, we go the whole week without taking a trade. That's how slow I'm trying to take it now. Cause all that rushing, it never ends good for me. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. Peace out.